Hello, my name is Listrik, Chemical Engineering UI 2019. In this video, I will try to explain about ORC, Organic Rankine Cycle. Introducing the clean cycle generator, a unit that converts heat into electricity using the organic Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle is a process that is widely used by power plants such as a coal-fired power plant or nuclear reactor. In this mechanism, fuel is used to generate heat in the boiler, converting water to steam, which then expands through a turbine producing useful work. Besides, there is an organic Rankine cycle, or ORC, which has the same mechanism as the Rankine cycle but differs in terms of a working fluid. ORC uses organic compound. Meanwhile, Rankine cycle uses water. There are four main components of the organic Rankine cycle, namely the boiler or evaporator, turbine or expander, condenser, and the pump. In this video, there is a sample project. Is a landfill where methane is converted into a renewable energy by a reciprocating engine. Gas or working fluid are collected from a landfill that enter the reciprocating engine, or converts landfill gas into electricity. High pressure hot water loop transfer engine heat to the clean cycle unit, clean cycle generator that convert excess heat into additional renewable power. The heat converts the fluid to the vapor. The first main component from ORC, organic Rankine cycle, is the evaporator or boiler. The evaporator functions to evaporate organic compound or working fluid into a steam or superheated or saturated vapor. When it becomes steam, with a certain pressure and temperature, it will push the turbine so that it rotates or works. The working fluid, organic compound, completes a cycle as the liquid leaving the pump at stream 4, called the boiler feed filter, is heated to saturation and evaporated in the boiler or evaporator. In the evaporator, there is a heat transfer curve, taking a control volume and closing the boiler tube and drums, carrying the feed water from state 4 from pump to state 1. Mass and energy balance give Q in per M equal to H1 min H2. The vapor spin the turbine generator that will be generating electricity. The turbine device is connected to a generator to produce electrical energy, and the remaining steam output from the turbine to a third device, where the remaining steam cannot be pumped, so it must be condensed using a condenser. Vapor or saturated vapor or superheated vapor from the boiler at state 1 or stream 1, having an elevated temperature and pressure, expand through the turbine to produce work that connect to generator for produce electrical energy, and then is discharged exhaust gas or vapor to the condenser at state 2 with relatively low pressure, neglecting heat transfer with the surrounding. The mass energy rate balance for a counter volume around the turbine reduces a steady state to give Wt per M equal to H1 min H2. The working fluid is cooled and returned to the clean cycle. The third component from the organic Rankine cycle is condenser. The remaining steam from the turbine is condensed into a liquid with the help of cooling water from cooling tower with an isentropic process, so that the steam turns into a liquid with the temperature and pressure also decreasing in the condenser. After it becomes a liquid, it is pumped back and raises the pressure to a height again, then flows into the evaporator or boiler again, and occurs repeatedly or cycle. In the condenser, there is heat transfer from the working fluid to the cooling water flowing in a separate stream. The working fluid condenses and the temperature of the cooling water increases. As stated, Mass and energy rate balance for a counter column enclosing the condensing side of the heat exchanger give Q out per m equal to H2 min H3. The last main component from organic Rankine cycle is pump. The pump serves to pump the remaining vapor that has become liquid in the condenser to the evaporator or boiler with the help of outside effort. The liquid condensate leaving the condenser at stream 3 is pumped from the condenser into the higher pressure boiler. In the pump, there is no heat transfer occur, taking counter volume around the pump and assuming no heat transfer with the surrounding. Mass and energy balance give WP per m equal to H4 min H3. The organic Rankine cycle, ORC, for one cycle unit can generate 1 million kWh of electricity per year from waste heat of weight more than 350 metric tons of CO2 per year. The annual equivalent CO2 emission of almost 200 cars on European roads. There are many industries can benefit from heat to power and technology. The first one is waste disposal, landfill and water treatment plant. The second one is agriculture, crop climate, animal waste, biodiesel, and greenhouse. The third one is lumber and forestry, sawmill, lumber mill, wood to heat. The fourth one is mining, methane to electricity generation and flaring. Then oil and gas generation, compression, and refining. Then heavy manufacturing, glass, cement, chemical, and metal. And the last one is food and beverage, food processing, waste byproduct, and large oven. That's all about our organic Rankine cycle. Thank you for watching, guys. See you and have a nice day.